Hi there, well done firstly, or congratulations. You thinking about going out on your own and starting your own business. I hope that this video from my finance partner will help you with a little bit of insight into the options that are available to you so that you can make a decision on what to do. So firstly, what are your options that are available to you if you want to go into business as your own? First one is called a sole prop or sole proprietor. That's where you trade a business as yourself in your personal name. The next option is to maybe do a partnership with somebody. And then we've got the juristic or legal entities, and these generally comprise a company. In the olden days there was a closed corporation, you can't get those anymore, and or a trust. So let's look at the first two options that I mentioned to you, either a sole proprietor or a partnership. The one key thing to bring up about these two types of entities is that there are you in your personal name. So the challenge that you sit with is that should something go wrong and your creditors want their money back because something's happened in the business, you become personally liable, whereas the legal or juristic entities can offer you some additional protection. Our advice is generally for clients not to go the sole prop or partnership route for this reason, and rather to consider a legal or juristic entity like a company or a trust. In terms of juristic or legal entities, we spoke about a company and a trust. Just a very quick one, closed corporations, no longer available. You can't register a new closed corporation because the Companies Act made some changes, and you can get a company that's more or less gives you the same obligations and benefits as a closed corporation or a CC, and then you have a trust. Companies specifically, they give you a protection from creditors. First and foremost, the creditors will need to recover the money from the company before they can come after you in your personal name. So as long as you haven't done anything untoward or illegal, you shouldn't land up incurring personal liability. Regarding trusts, trusts are sometimes used in business, but it's not very often seen these days. But we will also have a totally separate series on trusts. So if you are interested in trusts, rather have a look on our website and go and look at the page and all the details we have regarding trusts. Right, so now that you've decided what entity you want to go with in terms of how you're going to trade your business, something that you need to be aware, irrespective of the type of entity that you've chosen, sole prop, partnership, or a company or a trust, there are certain registrations, statutory registrations that you need to undertake. These are as follows. With SARS, you'll need to register for income tax. You could potentially have to register for VAT if your annual turnover exceeds 1 million rand. Outside of the SARS system, the Department of Labour, you have to register with them for UIF as soon as you have one employee, and you also need to register for workman's compensation, which is to cover if somebody gets injured on duty whilst working for your company. So if you need any of these registrations taken care of, my finance partner is here, we can help you with all of those. So just give us a shout. Or if you need the company formed or anything like that, please just reach out to us.